Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Apple? This is ticker AAPL. Now, I don't just want to look at Apple. I actually want to show you two graphs that actually don't make sense to me. Now, the first one is Apple. We have Apple here in an uptrend above all the key moving averages, multiple positive earnings reports, and the stock is within striking distance of the all-time high. Now, with that said, and with that context, we also have the market in fear. The market is scared right now. The market is in fear while Apple is within a few dollars of its all-time high. And I just don't get it because there's nothing wrong with this chart. This chart is in a very strong uptrend, and I actually think it looks buyable with a move through 277 coming on volume. We had a nice push off the 8-day exponential period moving average today, a close near the highs, and I actually think if the market continues to go higher, we could see Apple push through 277 and get a pretty decent trade off of it. Now, I'm not saying that the market is going to go up in a straight line. I'm not saying that the Fed can't make a policy mistake or something that will crash Apple down to the 200-day moving average again. It's been a heck of a year this year. Let's be honest. This has been a crazy year in terms of headline risk, macroeconomics, and just plain old volatility. But I just can't wrap my head around the fact that Apple's near an all-time high and the market is scared. So I think that there's an edge there. I think that there's a contrarian play that we can make on stocks like Apple and many others that we'll be looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com behind our paywall. And so just want to remind you to stay open-minded even when people are fearful, because there's still great opportunities out there. And we're going to look at a bunch of them tonight at Stock Market Mentor, and I hope to see you there.